Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Explainer. I am so thrilled to have you here today. Listen, if you're feeling a bit stuck financially right now, I want you to know right off the bat, it's probably not because you're lazy. Not at all. Most people don't stay broke because of a lack of hard work. They stay stuck because of these small, everyday choices we make without even realizing it.
You know that feeling when you check your bank app at the end of the month and just think, where did my money actually go? It's incredibly frustrating, right? Well, those totally normal-looking daily habits are what's secretly destroying your savings, driving up your stress levels, and completely stopping you from building wealth.
Okay, let's dive straight into Phase 1, Daily Money Leaks. Our first major roadblock is Habit 1, spending and then trying to save. Most people get paid, pay their bills, go shopping, eat out, and then, well, they try to save whatever happens to be left over. But let's be honest. Usually, there is absolutely nothing left. The fix? It's simple. Change the order. Pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, immediately move even just $25 into your savings before you spend a single dime.
And that naturally builds into habit 2, not tracking your expenses. A lot of us assume it's the big, flashy purchases that keep us broke. But actually, it's the daily coffee, the food delivery fees, and those late-night impulse buys. They are secretly draining your income right under your nose.
The crucial thing to remember here is that you literally cannot control what you don't track. So the ultimate fix is to track your spending strictly for 30 days. Write down every single purchase. Once you do this, I promise you, you're going to be genuinely shocked to see exactly where your hard-earned cash is disappearing.
$600. Yeah, I'm actually hitting pause and skipping straight to Habit 5 right now because this is a massive leak you can fix today. Ignoring those small subscriptions. A single $10 subscription seems like nothing, right? But if you've got 5 of those forgotten subscriptions just running quietly in the background, that's $50 a month. That equals $600 a year just evaporating from your pocket.
So I'm giving you a challenge right now, today. Pull up your bank statement and really review it. Cancel the dead weight. If you aren't actively using a subscription, cut it. It is literally the fastest way to instantly give yourself a raise.
All right, shifting gears a bit. Let's move right into Phase 2, the lifestyle trap.
This brings us back to Habit 3, treating credit cards like free money. Let's be crystal clear on this. A credit card is borrowed money. It is not extra income. If you don't pay off that full balance every single month, the interest grows incredibly fast. Only spend exactly what you know for sure you can pay back in full. And this ties perfectly into Habit 4, buying things just to impress other people. There's a stark difference between looking rich and having real wealth. So many people buy expensive clothes, phones, or cars just to look successful to outsiders, but that totally destroys actual wealth. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about robust savings, low debt, and true peace of mind.
Now let's look at Habit 6, lifestyle inflation. This is a trap almost everyone falls into at some point. It happens when your income goes up. Maybe you land a great raise at work, but your spending just creeps right up along with it. You get the raise, and immediately you upgrade to a better phone, you start eating out at nicer places, you shop more. This completely cancels out your new income.
But the fix for lifestyle inflation is remarkably simple. Increase your savings first. Whenever your income goes up, before you upgrade your phone or buy that shiny new gadget, you must increase your savings rate. Secure the wealth first, then enjoy the rest.
Finally, we enter Phase 3, the future cost.
And that is Habit 7, waiting way too long to start investing. The most common excuse I hear out there is, well, I'll invest when I earn more money. I hear it all the time. But let me clarify something right now. Investing is absolutely not just for rich people. Waiting is honestly the biggest mistake you can make.
Waiting for wealth is just a losing game. Time and consistency, those are the true secrets. Starting small is perfectly fine. The most important thing in investing isn't having some massive pile of cash to start with, it's giving your money time to grow and being consistent with it. Even tiny amounts grow massively if you just stick to the plan.
Okay, let's bring it all together in Phase 4, your new action plan.
Get your phones ready because this is your screenshotable list of the 7 habits you need to drop. Number 1, spending before saving. 2, not tracking expenses. 3, treating credit cards as free money. 4, buying things just to impress others. 5, ignoring those sneaky little subscriptions. 6, falling for lifestyle inflation. And 7, waiting too long to invest.
Now listen, if you want to change your financial life, please do not try to fix all 7 of these in one day.
you're just going to get overwhelmed. Instead, follow this simple, staggered action plan to build some momentum. Step 1. Track your expenses this week. Just start there. Step 2. Cancel those unused subscriptions next week. Step 3. Start saving a small amount on your very next payday.
I want to leave you with this final thought. Financial freedom is not built from one big decision. It is built from small, daily choices. Your financial destiny is entirely in your hands, and it's shaped by the controllable actions you take every single day.
So I want you to look at your bank account today and ask yourself a serious question. Are your daily habits building your future empire, or are they quietly keeping you broke? The choice is entirely yours. If this explainer helped you see your money in a new light, make sure to follow Cash Control 360 for more simple, practical money tips to help you save, invest, and grow. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.